Hey guys, how's it going? So under this cover here is my blue Nissan D21 Hardbody truck, and well, it's been sitting for some while, and you can see it's quite snowy and cold out. It doesn't get that cold in the UK, but it's cold enough. So, about minus 5, so yeah, it doesn't get that cold in the UK, but let's give her a cold start and see if she'll start up. And this thing was brilliant at start. It had brilliant compression, new glow plugs fitted, and a fairly new battery before it was parked up, so let's get it uncovered and see if she'll crank. Well, we've got lights, that's good. The battery was good though, it was brand new. I'll give it plenty of heat. So this truck's got the 2.7 4-cylinder turbo diesel. Give it plenty of heat. Bit lumpy there, but that's just loyal. Haven't been running for a while this end. But at the moment I've got it, it's going through a disposable fuel filter because it's got like sludge in the tank. It's got like a diesel bug. It's a bacteria that makes it all slimy in the tank, so all that's got to be cleaned out. But it's a mechanical fuel pump, really basic engine, and yeah, that's just brilliant. Well, I'm going to leave this running for a bit, and yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.